In this session of Maths Vaani, we will dive into the concept of bisectors of all the four interior angles. So don't worry, let's turn confusion into confidence and we'll take one angle at a time. So of course you are already familiar with a pair of parallel lines, the lines that never meet each other, and a transversal, a line that meets these two parallel lines at two different points. So let us recall about alternate interior angles over here. So you see this Z formation. So this is a pair of alternate interior angles and they are equal to each other. We can clearly see that these angles are equal to each other. So even if the transversal changes, the angle continue to be equal. They are equal to each other. And now we are bisecting these two angles, the pink angles, with the help of these angle bisectors. So we can see over here that these angles are being bisected. All right. So now, since these are bisected angles, instead of writing the measures, we are denoting them with same variables. Because कितने measurements लिख पाएंगे, इसलिए variable assign करेंगे equal angles को. Now total angle was equal to total angle, they were equal. So आधा आधा भी equal होगा, इसीलिए हमने सभी angles को x मान लिया. So यहाँ पर 4 angles हैं, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and all of them are x each. अब हम ये वाला alternate pair देखेंगे. So now we can again see that there is a formation of Z over here, this green Z. So there is a green pair of alternate interior angles. Exactly same तरीके से इसको भी bisect करेंगे. So QF is bisecting this green angle, RE is bisecting this green angle. And now since these are also equal to each other, मतलब ये angle इसके equal है, इसलिए y और y, ये angle इसके equal है, इसको भी y और y मानेंगे, because total green was equal to total green. If the totals were equal, then the halves are also equal. Now this is forming a semicircle over here. So this semicircle is nothing but a straight angle. So we can say that x plus y plus y is 180 degree. But we can divide this entire linear equation by 2. So 2x का आधा x, 2y का आधा y and 180 का आधा 90. So x plus y is 90. Now this is a linear equation in two variables in which the individual measure of x and y can be anything. ये x और y की कुछ भी वैल्यू हो सकती है, 60-30, 40-50, 20-70, 70-20, but sum 90 रहेगा. Now the important thing to see over here is, if this sum is equal to 90, that implies this angle is actually x plus y, so this becomes 90. Similarly, this angle was also x plus y. So we can see it over here, this angle was x plus y, so they become 90 degree each. So these two angles have become 90 degree each. Further, if we look at this figure, there is a red triangle here and a blue triangle here. Now in this red triangle, we have x and y, and x plus y is 90. Now if x plus y is 90 and total sum of the angles of a triangle is 180, then the third angle has to become 90 because of angle sum property. Likewise, in the blue triangle also, blue triangle में भी exactly यही होगा, दो angles का sum 90 है. So third angle अकेला 90 बनेगा, because तभी 90 plus 90 180 बनेगा, angle sum property. Now the interesting thing to see over here is, हम बाइसेक्टर्स हटा देते हैं, सब इधर उधर की चीज़ें हटा देते हैं, एंड नाउ लेट्स कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन दिस क्वाड्रिलैटरल जिसमें हमने सब एंगल्स को 90 प्रूव कर दिया. नाउ एक क्वाड्रिलैटरल जिसमें सब एंगल्स 90 होते हैं, उस क्वाड्रिलैटरल की डेफिनेशन रेक्टेंगल होती है. सो रेक्टेंगल एक ऐसा क्वाड्रिलैटरल है जिसके सारे एंगल्स 90 डिग्री होते हैं. सो even if I move these points, you can see no matter where I take it, the sides, the lengths will change, but the angles will continue to be 90 degree over here. Hence, QERF becomes a rectangle. But ये QERF बना कैसे? If we notice, the sides of this quadrilateral are nothing but angle bisectors. QE was an angle bisector, FR was an angle bisector, QF was also angle bisector, and RE was also angle bisector. और ये सारे angle bisectors interior angles के थे. So these two parallel lines are making 4 interior angles with the help of this transversal. और 4 angles के जब हमने angle bisectors लिए तो उन्होंने चारों ने मिलके एक rectangle बना दिया. I hope you enjoyed this video. For better comprehension, I would suggest that you watch this video once again, because if you can scroll reels multiple times, you can crack geometry too. I hope this helped you. Please like, share and subscribe.